In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Stripe email receipts. Whether you're managing an e-commerce platform or simply handling online transactions, setting up email receipts is essential for providing customers with immediate confirmation of their payments. Let's jump right into it. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to stripe.com. This is where we'll begin configuring your email receipts. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to locate the Sign In button, usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to continue. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Make sure you use the credentials associated with your Stripe account. Keep in mind that accuracy is key here to prevent any login issues. Go ahead and enter your details, then proceed by clicking on the Sign In button. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Stripe dashboard. From here, look for the Home icon, often in the navigation menu. Selecting Home will lead you back to the main dashboard area, ensuring you have a clear starting point for accessing the settings we need. Next, look towards the lower left section of the dashboard and find the Settings tab. Clicking on Settings will provide access to a wide range of configuration options that affect how Stripe serves your business. Within the Settings section, focus on Account Settings. It's here that you'll be adjusting email receipt features. Accessing account settings may involve scrolling or searching through several options, so take a moment to orient yourself. Inside Account Settings, locate and click on Business. This will narrow down the options to those specifically tied to your business operations, including communication preferences with your customers. Now, navigate to Customer Emails. Stripe offers various customization options here, but today we're specifically interested in setting up successful payment and refund notifications. The next step involves enabling the Successful Payments toggle. This option ensures that customers automatically receive an email upon completing a transaction successfully. Toggle it on by clicking the switch or checkbox next to Successful Payments. Lastly, look for the option to enable email notifications for refunds. If a customer receives a refund, it's crucial they are informed promptly. Toggle this feature on, ensuring transparency and accountability in your business's financial transactions. And that's it. You've now successfully set up email receipts on Stripe to notify your customers of both successful payments and refunds, enhancing your service's professionalism and customer satisfaction. Remember, staying proactive and communicative can significantly improve your customer's experience. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful walkthroughs.